Hello. Once again, I welcome you all to the maths class. Today, let me solve a figure-based problem of chapter circles. The problem is, this is the given figure. In this figure, AD is the diameter of a circle with center O and AB is parallel to CD. If it is so, we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. Okay? So as it is a proof question, we know that what is given, what to prove, stepwise we have to do. If some construction is needed, we have to construct also. So let me write first what is given, what to prove and okay. What is given here is AD is the diameter, okay, and it is given that AB is parallel to CD. And we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. Okay? In order to prove AB is equal to CD, we have to do some construction step. That is, draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. So that we have to do in construction step. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. Now comes actual proof step. Why we have constructed? So now we can make these two triangles congruent. Once they are congruent by CPCTC, we can show that AM is equal to DN, then 2AM will be equal to 2DN, and if 2AM equal to 2DN, AB equal to CD. How is that? Let me explain you very clearly. So in triangle AMO and the triangle DNO, angle AMO equal to angle DNO, that is 90 degree, we have constructed, and angle OAM equal to angle ODN. Angle OAM is equal to angle ODN. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD. If two lines are parallel, then the pair of interior alternate angles are equal. We can write interior alternate angles. They are interior alternate angles. And one more is OA and OD are the radii of the same circle. OA is equal to OD because they are the radii of the same circle. So these two triangles AMO is congruent to triangle DNO. These two triangles are congruent under AAS condition. And once two triangles are congruent by CPCTC, the remaining parts will be equal. So therefore, AM is equal to DN, that is by CPCTC. Let me multiply both the sides by 2. We'll get 2AM equal to 2DN. That implies 2AM is equal to AB, 2DN is equal to CD. Why 2AM equal to AB? Because OM is perpendicular to AB. You have learned the theorem that the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. That means OM bisects it. So AM is equal to BM. That means AB equal to AM. Reason we can write OM bisects AB and ON bisects CD. Because of that, 2AM became AB and 2DN becomes CD. And that is what we have to prove, and that is proved. Just interesting question. Here, the trick is only for construction. If you don't do construction, it will be very difficult, you won't understand. So, these theorems, the theorem see that perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Unless you are able to apply that, you won't be able to do this. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.